Husqvarna. Seems like we got another carb job clean out. Check the carb, check the spark plug. Get a little oil leak. Check everything on to make sure it's running right. We're gonna get this one in and out. Let's go. So now this is freed up. It's bonded in here. Had a strap wrapped around. We're gonna do the same on this side. These vines, roots. I ran over some rope. That's just wrapped up in there. Now we got it bust all down. Flywheel got a lot of rust on it. Wanna get the connection together on the coil pack. Yeah, that's all. Get this thing all together. Starting to work on this. Found a whole bee nest in here. We're gonna see how that runs. Remove this, clean the carb, check the spark plug. And then we're gonna come right back till we see through that. Got that out. Plug's kind of fouled out. We're gonna clean that up. We're gonna pull the carburetor off and check the bottom of that next. So now we got the carb removed. We wanna see how is it up under here. So let's take that off and look. So open up the carb. Looks pretty good, the jets. But it had a lot of water built up in here in the corner. There's water. We want to clean it out, check the jets, and this thing should be going. So that carbs are taken apart, had water in it, cleaned it out, resprayed it, jetted. Time to put it back together, retune it. This thing should be purring after we clean the plug. Carbs are rebuilt. Time to get it back installed. Clean the plug. Clean that out. So the plug's installed, and this is what boots dry rotted, but we still have good connection. Let's get this thing going. Clean all that gunk out of there. Husqvarna, all done. Got it untangled. Got everything where I needed to be for the most part. We're just gonna go through and start checking the carburetor, doing everything I need to do. Cause as we see, a little chirp won't hurt nobody.